In this video, we'll show you how to get the SAVI AMP.One V2 online and ready to use. First, you'll want to ensure the amp is securely installed in the rack and connected to both power and Ethernet, ensuring the network has an active and accessible DHCP server. Then, be sure to flip the power switch on the back of the unit to turn it on. Once powered up, you'll want to log in to your network router or use a network scanning tool to discover the amp's DHCP address. You can then navigate to the current IP address in your browser to access the amp's web UI. After logging in, you'll see the input and output settings. Before configuring anything, you'll first want to click Settings, and under the Network tab, set a static IP if you haven't already created a DHCP reservation for the amp. And ensure you click Apply and Reboot to save the new IP. The reboot process should only take about 15 seconds, and once online again, we can log back in and now look at our audio configuration. For the inputs themselves, you can apply preset trim levels as needed, and give the input a friendly name. We also have the option to set an input as global, meaning it'll be routed to all outputs, while all the other inputs will be ignored. Now for the outputs, the first step is to ensure the bridge setting is set correctly for all outputs. If an output will be powering 70 or 100 volt speakers, the output needs to be bridged, which is the default. For 8 ohm or 4 ohm single speaker applications, you can disable bridging from the speaker configuration page in Settings, which you can reach easily by opening the drop-down and clicking Edit Speakers. From here, just click the Bridge button to toggle it. Likewise, ensure the wiring on your outputs matches what you've chosen here in the UI. Once the configuration for all outputs looks correct, click Apply and Reboot. Once logged back in, you can set the volume for each bridged output or on any individual non-bridged outputs. Just drag the slider to the desired decibel level or click a new location and it will jump to it. To mute all audio for an output, toggle the mute button at the bottom by clicking on it. This concludes our AMP.One V2 install and setup guide. Be sure to check out the amp's datasheet and product manual on the SAVI dealer portal for more information. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more SAVI training videos.